Good afternoon, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota Pre-Owned Super Center. Today I'm presenting you a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 Black in color. This truck comes with 1 set of keys with the remote starter as well. So let's have a look. So this truck do have two tow hook actually on the front bumper, fog light, aluminum alloy wheels 17-inch, turbo diesel Carmans. They also do have the towing mirrors over there as well. Heated with signal light side mirrors. Back windows is already been tinted by manufacturer. Right over there, as you can see, the box liner is already been done. Trailer hitch with wired, backup camera, they also do have the 3-inch lift kit on it. On this Dodge Ram, they will come with black leather seats with power seats over there as well. They also do come with power windows, power door lock, power side mirrors. Right over there, they also do have a trailer brake as well. This truck only have 115,877 kilometers on it. On the steering wheel, you can connect it with your Bluetooth device, such as your cellular phone. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, there's your voice command, answer the phone call, and disconnect it. Right over there, you can adjust the main screens to give you better information when you're driving without any interruption. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel is a cruise control. Right over there, you can switch it to 4x2, which is a rear-wheel drive, or 4x4 in the winter time as well. Over there, on the main dashboard, they have a navigation, backup camera, traction control, parking sensors over there, air condition, heated seats, air conditioned seat, heated steering wheel, and this is a heated seat and an air conditioned seat for the passenger side as well. Right over there, they have one 12-volt power outlet. We have 2 cup holders over there as well. And up there is a sunroof. Once again, this is Andy Lam from Mayfield Toyota. I'm looking forward to meet you in person. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.